y is 2x squared plus 12x plus 15. We want to find the coordinates of the x-intercepts, the coordinates of the turning point and state its nature, the coordinates of the y-intercept, and then we want to sketch the curve. So, we need to solve 2x squared plus 12x plus 15 is equal to 0. It doesn't take long looking at this to see that it doesn't factorize, so I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Here I can see that a is 2, b is 12, and c is 15. So x is going to be negative 12 plus or minus the square root of 12 squared, which is 144, take away 4 times a times c, all over 2 lots of a. So under the square root we have 144, take away 4 times 2 times 15, gives me 24. So I've got negative 12 plus or minus root 24 over 4. Now if I'm going to sketch this, I'm probably going to want decimal answers here. So negative 12, add the square root of 24 divided by 4. I've got this in standard at the moment. If I press execute, it will actually give me an exact answer. Let's go back, change it to decimal, and that's negative 1.78. If we go to 2 decimal places, and then just go back and change that to a minus, negative 4.22. Correct to 2 decimal places. So we wanted coordinates. That's negative 1.780 and negative 4.220. Now in part 2, the coordinates of the turning point and state the nature. We know the line of symmetry is negative b over 2a. So that's going to be negative 12 over 2 times 2, which is negative 3. So y is going to be 2 multiplied by negative 3 squared, which is 9. Add 12 lots of negative 3, add 15. So that's going to be 18, take away 36, add 15, which gives me negative 3. So the turning point is at negative 3, negative 3. And the coefficient of x squared here is positive, so we have a happy curve, and therefore this is a minimum. So, for part 3, we want the coordinates of the y-intercept. So that means x is 0. Looking at this, that means that y is 15. So 0, 15. So finally we want to sketch showing all these features. So put our x-axis this way and our y-axis this way. And then we've got intercepts here and here. And let's just draw the curve. We know the basic shape. So that's going to be at 0, 15 up there. And then just try to make it look reasonably symmetric. like so. This one is at negative 1.780. This one is at negative 4.220. This is at negative 3, negative 3. And label it. So y is equal to 2x squared, add 12x, add 15. Now for this question we'd have had the calculator available to us anyway, so we probably wouldn't have needed to do all that we did before. We could just go to graph and table, and let's just clear whatever we've got there before, and let's put in our curve. So that's 2x squared, add 12x, add 15, and then we can just graph that down here. We haven't got the full view of it, so let's just, particularly the y's, let's take those down a little bit more, maybe go to negative 5 or something, and the maximum, let's make that 20, and here we have a good picture of what we have over here. And if we want the roots, we go analysis, gsolve, and we go for root, and it finds the first one, the negative 4.22. Hit the right arrow, it'll find the second one, negative 1.78. If we gsolve for the minimum, it will find that at negative 3, negative 3. And it'll also find for us the y-intercept at 0, 15.